Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make incoming calls to silent but vibration turns on in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's start. So just swipe down from the top and then tap on settings icon and then scroll down to sounds and vibration and then tap on it and then tap on ringtone, and after that scroll up and you can see here we have silent this option, so we have to select it. So to select it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now selected. And also make sure vibrate while ringing is turned on. So currently I have this turned off. You can see this toggle button is turned off next to it. So to turn on it, you have to turn on this toggle button next to it. So to turn on this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned on. So from now on, incoming calls will vibrate but not produce or make any sound. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.